is how to add an accordion to any Shopify theme, specifically if it's a 2.0 theme. If you're not sure, I have other videos on that. Kicking things off, you'll need to know how to navigate over to your product page, and so the way you could do that is from the home admin area, and you go online store themes and then select a theme to customize. I'll be editing the live theme, and from the drop down you'll want to go select product and then navigate to your product template. You may have default product, or you may have created another template. If you're confused how to do that, I have another video on this. Once you go into your product template, we'll be editing this one here, venture bar. You'll want to go down here and go add block, and you may not have an accordion block outside of the box. If you do have Dawn, you may have this collapsible row, which is an individual accordion block. Oh, looks like I need to add text in order for this to work. Great. But if you want something with a slightly more premium feel and some animated plus buttons or potentially even arrows, there we go. You'll need to get this app called Flexi. It's $5 a month with a 14-day free trial. You'll be able to add this block to your theme by going add block and then going down and then selecting under app blocks the accordion block, which is this one here. You can also even use your product description as the first area inside the accordion. If you don't want to use the product description, just leave that unchecked. Also, it comes with a bunch of different settings, so you can change the question font size and the font color, icon color, and even some of the spacing.